My name's Sean Hoskins. I'm a production manager at the Peppercorn Food Company. We produce small goods and fresh sausages and burgers for the likes of Woolworths, Coles, Aldi and IGA. We currently operate WA, New South Wales as well as Queensland. We have utilised Sidekicker for most of our casual work. Roles include picking, producing, mincing and batching, as well as heavy machine operating. One of the few challenges we faced was sourcing a lot of last minute work, and Sidekicker really provided the service which was integral. One of the really great things about the Sidekicker platform was the ease of use. Having it all centralized really helps with us. Being able to post requests at the very last minute and having those roles filled up in a matter of minutes or hours. Any cancellations or withdrawals are replaced very quickly. Due to the positive experience with Sidekicker, we are starting to utilize that in our other sites and see where the future takes us with it.